Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact a host in Agoda. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to agoda.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your login details. Now, hover over your profile icon on the top right. Click on it, and here you have a couple of options: bookings, property messages, down to profile. Now select bookings from the drop down menu. It's going to take you to a window where it shows you your upcoming and past reservations. Now find the booking with the host you want to contact under upcoming. Find the booking with the host you want to contact and click on it to open the booking details. On the booking details page, look for a button or link labeled Contact Host, Message Host, or Contact Property. This is typically located near the booking information or below the property details. Click on the Contact Host button to open a messaging window. Type your message clearly, whether it's a question about check-in, special request, or other details. Then hit send. The host will receive your message and reply through Agoda's messaging system. You can check your inbox on Agoda or your registered email for their reply. Here are a couple of tips you should note. Be polite and clear in your messages for the best communication. For urgent questions, use Agoda's customer support if the host is unresponsive. Then keep your messages related to your booking to ensure quick assistance. And that's how you contact your host directly through Agoda. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.